is Modesty and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. How are you guys? I am so glad you guys are here today for this video. I'm literally so excited for this video. It's gonna be quick, simple, but oh my gosh, I freaking love it. Okay, so two things are happening today in the video. One, I'm doing a quick 5-minute fall makeup look. You gotta pop a color, like a fall vampy lip, and then a nice simple face, no eyeshadow, nothing like that. And I'm gonna share with you guys my #1 now favorite foundation ever. You guys know, if you've been following me, that I am obsessed with the stick foundation from Younique, which is still completely incredible. But if you guys don't have time to blend out foundation and you want out the door and you want to be full coverage and airbrushed and beautiful, this foundation is for you. If you are a fan of the Dior Air Flash but you don't like the price ticket on it, this is the foundation for you. So if you want to see how to do this quick 5-minute fall makeup look and to see the greatest foundation ever, then just keep on watching. Alright you guys, so I'm going to show you guys this dupe right here that for the Dior Air Flash. I am obsessed. Like, I tried this out and I was like, oh my gosh, I need to jump on YouTube and I need to share it with everybody, because if you guys have been with me, you guys know how I feel about the Younique stick foundation. I found its replacement. Well, no, I don't want to say replacement because I still love it, but I found my new love and I'm so excited to share with you guys. Okay, so first off, I do need to prime my skin, so let me just go in with some primer really quickly. And then we're gonna dive into the foundation. I'm gonna be taking the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Serum to go ahead and hydrate my skin. If I seem a little kind of my doctor started me on a new medication and I'm still like adjusting to it, so bear with me in my weirdness. And then I'm gonna go ahead and grab some primer really quickly. So let me just slap on some primer. I'm serious, you guys. I'm gonna show you guys this foundation and it is just going to change your life. So yeah, get ready. Buckle up and get ready. So here is the Younique Touch Spray Foundation. Oh my Lord. This is, first off, I love the packaging. I think it's super duper cute. I love it. It's an aerosol can, so it's very similar to the Dior Air Flash, which I love. So I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys the best way to apply this, the coverage, everything. It's incredible, you guys. You will look airbrushed, and I can't wait to show you. So I have the shade Eyelit right here. Super pretty, and I'm just gonna be taking the Kabuki brush. This is the Younique Kabuki brush, one of my favorite foundation brushes ever. And I'm just going to spritz some on the brush. I'm just gonna coat my brush like this, and then you just want to stipple it on to your skin. This is buildable coverage. It starts out at a high medium and it can go to full coverage. So you want to stipple it and then you want to blend. I'm going with very little product as well. I'm not just like laying my hand down on the spray nozzle. What I love about this foundation is, aside from the fact that it just makes you look airbrushed, is I thought that our foundations were like super lightweight. I didn't think they could get more lightweight than that, but this, oh my gosh, it's so good. And it's just like so quick. It is effortless. It is so easy to blend. And what I love about this is you do not get any streaks. No streaks. You don't have to blend out any streaks. It is so incredibly easy to work with, and I'm so just like beyond obsessed with it. Look at that, you guys. Look at the coverage. Look how easy that was to blend in. And I love that you don't have to set this. At least like if you have oily skin, always set your foundation, but like I have normal skin, I don't have to go in with setting powder or anything. I just leave it like this and I'm super duper happy with it. You can also use this as your concealer because it is buildable coverage. So I'm gonna take my sponge and I'm gonna spray it on the tip of my sponge. And I'm just going to bring it right under my eyes just to really build up that coverage and to conceal with it. Now you can of course use concealer if you want to like highlight, but you don't need the concealer for like extra coverage. It is insane. Now I am going to go ahead and set it on my eyelids because I do have kind of oily eyelids. So I am going to set my eyelids. I'm just going to grab some setting powder really quickly to do that. Oh my gosh, look at that. My skin looks so good. So good. So what I also want to share with you guys is that you can get this on its own, but we are actually doing our annual Flawless 4 bundle, so primer, foundation, concealer, and setting, all for the $99. So typically this retails for $42, but you can get primer, this, concealer, and setting powder or setting spray for $99. I'm gonna have a link to that down below. If you guys need help shade matching, let me know. You can join my Facebook group, message me, and I can go ahead and shade match you. Just like, because you can go out the door like this. So primer, foundation. I use the foundation as my concealer, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and do some brows. I'm taking the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. I really been liking this as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fill in my brows. This is a really good drugstore option for a brow pencil, for sure. My two favorites are gonna be this one and the Unique one. The Moodstruck Precision Brow Liner. Oh, and if you were to go get this brow pencil, I highly recommend doing it off the website. I'll put a link to it down below because they have so many shades. Like when I went into Ulta, I thought they only had like a couple shades, but there actually is so many shades in this brow pencil. It's actually kind of ridiculous. So definitely go onto the website to get the brow pencil. I think it's like $5. So definitely check that out as well. The e.l.f. website. So I'll just have a link to the brow pencil down below. I love it. It's super easy and quick. All right, so then for another part of this quick out the door look, I'm just gonna slap on some bronzer and maybe some mascara, a lip product, and then you are out the door. So let me just go ahead and grab some bronzer. I'm taking the Beachfront bronzer in the shade Malibu. So stinking pretty, you guys. I'm obsessed with this bronzer. So pretty, so pretty. And I'm taking this Morphe MB4 brush to go ahead and apply this. Now notice, see, I have not used setting powder except for on my eyelids. You don't need it, you guys, because it sets itself. Definitely set just a little bit if you have oily skin, but if you have like normal to like dry skin, you don't have to set this at all. Not necessary, because it sets itself. And it's gonna stay put all day. I love it, and you can't feel it on your skin. It's just incredible, and it's quick, it's easy, and I'm addicted to it already. I'm gonna grab a little bit of this e.l.f. highlighter in the shade White Gold, just because, you know, it can't be a video for me without, you know, some highlighter. I'm actually gonna use a sponge to apply it. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna pop on a little bit of mascara. I'm gonna be taking the Unique Moodstruck Epic Lash Primer. This makes it so I only need one coat of mascara, which I love. And it keeps my lash like that all day long, and I don't have to curl my lashes when I use this, so it's super duper nice. I love it. It definitely has, it's like one of those products that you don't think you need until you try it, and then it's like, okay, well now I do need it because it's, you know, it does all the things I want it to do, you know? Alright, so while I'm letting the lash primer dry, I'm going to go ahead and pop on a lip color. I think I just want like a nice, you know, fun lip. So I'm going to be taking the shade Kylie, so I'm taking Kylie Cosmetics in the shade Heat. Now that the lash primer coat is dry, I'm just going ahead and coat my lashes with some mascara. So I'm just going ahead and grab just the Unique Moodstruck Epic Mascara. And you only need one coat of that because you went through with the lash primer. See, that's one coat. Make sure I coat all the lashes though. Some random lashes over here. Oh! I'm going to take the e.l.f. Wow Brow, which is one of my favorite brow gels because it has little fibers in it. And I am just going to go through my brows just to kind of set them in place and make them look a little bit fuller. If you guys want an updated drugstore brow routine, let me know and I can go ahead and film that for you guys. I think that'd be fun and useful. Taking the Kokie Cosmetics Set and Forget Long Lasting Makeup Spray. And then that completes this super quick 5-minute out the door fall makeup look. I really guys hope you enjoyed it. I really wanted to share with you guys this foundation because I am officially obsessed with it. It's so good. You guys, I highly recommend you guys check this out. I will have a link to my website down below. Either get it on its own or get yourself the Kudos bundle for literally your entire complexion for $99. Such a freaking steal. We have regular primer, the Touch Glorious. We also have a hydrating primer. We have 4 foundations for you to choose from, shade of choice. We have concealer, and then you get to choose either setting powder or a setting spray. I highly recommend the hydrating primer with this one. I think that it looks beautiful. And you know, the hydrating primer is not going to affect you if you have oily skin, because there's a difference between like hydrating and having like a dewy look in the sense of like oil or something like that. So don't be afraid to try the hydrating primer out. You always want to hydrate that skin. But yes, our Kudos bundle is fully customizable, so definitely check it out. Grab yourself this spray foundation because it is freaking incredible. And yeah, so that is everything for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you guys like quick videos like this where I just share a quick makeup look with you guys, let me know. And if you want to see a drugstore brow routine, let me know as well. But that's everything. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah!